Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Teppo Kauppinen and this is unboxing Arrowmax pit lamp. Let's have a look what we have inside. Here we have a small manual from Arrowmax. There's a unit and charging cable and should have an extra long working life. Battery capacity is 1000 milliamps, so it should last long even without charger connected. Here we have the whole unit and frame. Let's have a look. Looks nice. The whole frame is from aluminium, so this is pretty light. Here we have an on-off button at the top, and this is the brighter one, and this is the second option. I prefer the second option. For the naked eye, this is maybe a little bit better. Here's the charging point, and here is charging cable. This goes to normal 5-volt USB connection. Here is back for the unit, so it will stay looking nice. And here we have a double-sided tape and mounting bracket for the wall. So this was Arrowmax pit lamp. Looks pretty nice. It's pretty light. And that's about it today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.